Hi, and welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series.
In this video, we will discuss some exercise question. And this is the assignment for you guys. Please solve these questions. And if you have any query, let me know in comment section. First question is, create a function that can accept two arguments, name and age, and print its value. And second question is, write a function func1 such that it can accept a variable length of argument and print all the arguments value. And third question is, write a function calculation such that it can accept two variables and calculate the addition and subtraction of it. And also it must return both addition and subtraction in single return call. And fourth question is, create a function show employee in such a way that it should accept employee name and its salary and display both, and if salary is missing in the function call, it should show it as 900. And fifth question is, write a recursive function to calculate the sum of numbers from 0 to 10. And next question is sixth. Create an inner function to calculate the addition in the following way. Create an outer function that will accept two parameters, a and b. Then create an inner function inside an outer function that will calculate the addition of a and b. At the last, an outer function will add 5 into the addition and return it. I hope you will
Stay
try to
tuned.
solve
We'll be right back.
these questions.